ते आपल्याला लाईन्समॅन म्हणून जायला लागेल. चल जाऊ डायरेक्ट खाली.
Good evening, everyone. All of us are now ready for the semi-final match between Manchester United and Barcelona. Both of them have come second and third respectively to get a place in the semi-final. Waiting for them in the final are Real Madrid. The first team for Manchester United, Srikanth is the captain, Aditya in goal, Sean is the defender along with Srinivas and Edwin to complete the lineup. Deepak and Manish are the substitutes ready to come in. Barcelona are yet to complete their first team. Aniket. Starting for Barcelona is the captain Aniket. Along with him is Gaurav and Rudra to play forward and Dheeraj as the last man and Sushant Mane as the goalkeeper. Special thanks to Aniket and Abhishek for being the linesmen. The group stage matches all over was 10 minutes per half, but now for the semis and finals we have increased the duration to 15 minutes per half. We have Barcelona to get us underway. Lobbing it forward, that was blocked it for a throw in for Barcelona. Good attempt by Gaurav, but no goal kick to Manchester United. Aditya to take it quickly. Gaurav came for the foul, but no, it wasn't the foul. There's the referee. Great shot to Oxford, but he dropped it forward. Throwing to Barcelona. Dheeraj to take it. Forward now, taking break now, the counter attack, everything gets forward. Instead of just a goal kick to Barcelona. Ball with Rudra, nice shot pass to Aniket. Rudra is one of the emerging players of the tournament. Ball with Manchester United now. Good block there by Shaw. It was a good shot by Aniket. It was on target. Once again by Aniket, but once again by Shaw. Shaw standing strong there. Good pass there by Aniket. And Srikanth to take it forward. The two veterans of the team, Srikanth and Edwin. Ball goes to Barcelona. Dheeraj looking for some movement from Aniket and Gaurav, but blocked by Srikanth. Off to it, can he take a shot there? He's trying to take one. Was in a corner there. Goal kick to Barcelona. Great shot to Dheeraj. Cleared by Aniket. He can't take it. So he cleared it. Should have given it pass to maybe Srinivas or Hendrik. Great shot. Ball is well defended by Dheeraj. He's a veteran of the game. He knows how to use his body well. Shield the player away. That's a long ball. Ball with Gaurav trying to find Rudra. Well defended again by Shaw. Ball with Srikanth now. He's trying to find Edwin. That's a good pass. And Srinivas capitalized. That's a very tight angle, but he left the near post open. Sushant should have guarded the near post, but the ball squeezed in. A very good goal there by Srinivas. 1-0 to Manchester United. Aniket looking for the movement. He tried to score eventually. Aditya bringing it forward, but Edwin could not get it under control. Dheeraj will try to go long. Right against ball again with Barcelona. Could not keep it on target. The goal kick to United. Srikanth to take it forward. He passes it to Aniket. Could this be a risky move? That's the corner. The ball was not on target, but the referee had to put his hand. Good block there by Aniket. Shot to take it quickly. Srinivas versus Aniket. Good pass to Edwin. Can he find his player? Almost. Srinivas was close, but well defended by Rudra. Rudra trying to do it. Good shot. The shot was on target, but well defended there by Sushant. Srinivas to take it quickly. Edwin coming short for the pass. Slightly short of options there. So that was a good chance for Srikanth, but he could not connect. Saurav has a chance with Dheeraj on. That will be a red card if you not the commentator. Srikanth will look clear. Cleared well. Manish, can he score? It's a good save. It's a good save from the side. Manish has just come in as a substitute and once again a good chance. It could have been a good chance to Srikanth, but no way. A slight change in formation. Now Edwin on his favorite foot, can he do something? Manish has... No, it was a good pass by Manish. Manish has changed the game once he has come in. The formation has changed. Barcelona. Dheeraj has gone forward. They're trying to bring his experience into the game. They need a goal. Catch! Rudra had much more time than he thought. Ever since Dheeraj has come forward, the game has opened up much more. We want to collect the ball, otherwise it could have been a corner. Cleared just in time. It is good. The good written by could have passed. No. Both the players were moving, but he couldn't take the shot. The good trick there by Dheeraj. Good save by Aniket. Ball to Barcelona. You can see the pace of the game has changed totally. Easy clearance for Srikanth. Dheeraj is playing the low side forward. He's trying to make things happen. He's coming in short for the pass now. Can he find Rudra? Yes, he can. But no, Rudra gives it away to Manish. Can he pass it on to Edwin on his favorite foot? No, he cannot get the shot on target. Srikanth was asking for it. The score remains at 1-0 to Manchester United. Gaurav has taken Dheeraj's place in defense. Rudra to bring it forward. Oh, that's just given it away. That's slightly responsible, but he manages to clear. Manish to take it. Again on his favorite foot, can he do something? No. Edwin has not been wearing his shooting boots today. That's a good lead by the keeper. Good lead by Aditya. Goal kick to Manchester United. Srikanth asking it quickly. Needs to be careful of Dheeraj. That's well done. Edwin looking for it. Edwin looking for it. Now do they have a chance? Do they have a chance? Can they? That is exactly what we were hoping to do. He came forward to score a goal and the score is allowed. Nicely done by Aniket, a good pass, a good assist, and Dheeraj finishes it. 1-1, game on. Barca need to regroup, the game is not done yet. Manish to take the throw in, ball will take us. That's the goal kick. Aniket to bring it forward, trying to win it, and it blocks it. And Gaurav to win it long. He waits for the goalkeeper. Blocked by Srikanth, he'll bring it forward to Edwin now. That's well done by Rudra, well done by Rudra. Someone without pressure, I think he tries to clear, but I could not find the play. Rudra to bring it forward, he passes it short to Aniket. He tries to find Dheeraj now. Or he'll change to make. Oh, using the ball, Edwin and Manish in 2-1. The yellow card, a possible yellow card for Manish. Handed the ball. So what has happened right now is Manish has handled the ball intentionally, so that's a yellow card. Right ball by the net, and now United has to play 4 players for the next 5 minutes. Next 2 minutes. Correct. That's another corner, what the count is. It's a 2-0. The count for the goals is 1-1 and for the corner is 2-1. They capitalize. Already one man down United, but they could not defend well. Again, the team of the combination of Aniket and Dheeraj are really working very well. Score now is 2-1. United now they had the lead, but now they are goal down. Now Srikanth wants to take things into his own hand. He's gone forward. Srinivas will track back. Once again, Gaurav launching it forward, trying to find Dheeraj. Dheeraj has totally changed the game once he comes forward. Now Srikanth will try to do the same thing for United. The partnership of Edwin and Srikanth has not worked yet. Still are right now, can say that was a good attempt, but a good lead by Srikanth. Trying to pass it to Srinivas. Ball with Barcelona again. Once again, Gaurav will launch it forward. That's what they're trying to do, but pisted down by Sean. I hope he's injured. Or Srikanth. Can Srinivas find the net now? This is good. The corner one more. Corners are 2-1. After much confusion, the corners are 2-1. Aniket trying to find his way. Was an amazing run by Aniket. Now the ball is with Srikanth. He finds Srinivas. Can he find Edwin? Yes. It's a good ball by Edwin. Well defended by Gaurav. Great assist by Srikanth. What a match we are having. Score stands at 2-all. Dheeraj to start. Rudra now inside. He could not bring it under control. Ball with Manchester United. Sean. Well done. That's a good pass to Srinivas. Can he find it? Or will he go all the way himself? That's a good try. Good, well defended there by Gaurav. No, Rudra could not find the player. Here by Srikanth. Now the ball again with Gaurav. He's trying to find Dheeraj, but Srikanth is aware of his plan. He did play for the whistle, but the whistle eventually his handball is not a goal kick, it's free kick. I think Rudra is standing too close, maybe too much close for it. Release to Edwin. No! He could have done better there. Ball with Rudra again. He tried to find Dheeraj. Could not find Aniket. He does find him eventually. Third corner we have a penalty. Penalty to Barcelona. Is it Dheeraj or is it Aniket to take that? Aniket to take the penalty. And that's the miss. And that's the first half whistle. He could have brought the team under control and under the lead. This is the final thing of the half. But the goal stands at 2-all. All to play for in the second half. All to play for in the second half. Score stands at 2-all. Panduran has come into the loud cheer from the outside crowd. Can we get a big round of applause for the both teams, please? United to bring us underway now. Edwin to start. Passing it to Srikanth and Robert forward. He's trying to find Edwin. Good play. Now Gaurav is trying to do the same. Launch it forward. Try to find. Well done by shot. Well done by shot. Good try by Gaurav, but he could not connect. He was on through goal. Well defended there by Gaurav. Dheeraj has taken a breather. I think Barcelona will try to keep things at the level till Dheeraj is out. Can United capitalize on Dheeraj's absence? Well defended by Barcelona have slightly changed the tactic. They're trying to take direct shots on goal, but well defended all the time from Barcelona. I think Srikanth could have let that ball go to the goal behind it. Trying to find Srinivas, who trying to set. Can Srikanth bring it forward? He's trying to charge the ball now. He's trying to find it in, but Aniket did well to cover. Sean playing it. Again, and he's not able to get to the ball. It was a good pass by Srikanth. Gaurav again, launching it forward. Well defended by Srinivas. Edwin on the save and foot. Can get it? No, could not reach it, but a good attempt by Panduran. Good take by Sushant. He'll launch it forward now, he'll throw it forward. But only finds Edwin. He could not bring the ball under control. Difficult to get it under control. Now the 3-2, can he find Edwin? Edwin now Srikanth. But what is yet to be seen is that there is more defense now. Can he capitalize? Panduran needs to track back, So can he find Srikanth? That's a good try. It's a good try to find Srikanth. Edwin again on his favorite foot. Well done by Aniket. Aniket will try to bring it forward. With Dheeraj out of the field, I think he's short of options to pass the ball to. And now the change is made. Dheeraj has come in again for Panduran. How the game changes when Dheeraj is on the ball. Sean trying to take it quickly, but the ball stays in Manchester United. No, Rudra trying to give it. That's well done by Sean. Rudra not letting it go, but well defended again by Gaurav. Well done, Gaurav. Edwin needs only one chance. one half chance. Can he get it now? Can Srinivas find Edwin? Cannot find. The score is still 2-2, 2 goals to Barcelona and 2 to Manchester United. That was a corner. The corner stand at 1-all and the score is 2-all. Now Srikanth has gone back to take it for Rudra finds Dheeraj, but he cannot find Ankit. Both the teams trying to play a little cautiously. They want to find the winner, but not at the risk of conceding one. Good pass by Srikanth, but cannot find Manish. Manish has come in for Edwin. Can Rudra bring it forward now? Good attempt, can he? Good attempt by Rudra, but he could not get it on target. Well done. Edwin has gone on for a breather. Can he come back in for the final few minutes? Aditya launching it forward. Rudra could have missed and Paul Guhu. Second corner for Manchester United. One more away from penalty. That's slightly difficult to control. It was a good ball by Gaurav, but very difficult for Dheeraj to get it under control. Manish brings it under control very well. And he finds it very well. Well done, Srikanth. He did well to bring it under control. He asked for the ball, Srikanth, but Rudra intercepted well. Dheeraj is playing the man forward and Gaurav find it. And Sushant find it. Oh, that's very risky. That could have been ball ricocheted along the goal. Now Gaurav is moving forward. He tried to find Dheeraj or Aniket. Sean trying to get it under control. Passes to Manish. Can he find Srinivas? Can he find Srinivas? That is the third corner. And the third corner for Manchester United, and that's the penalty. I think Srikanth will be the one to take it, or is it Srinivas? Srikanth has a habit of scoring penalties against Arsenal. That's a goal. 3-2 to Manchester United, all to play for. For the final few minutes, United have to just defend. Barcelona will try to do their all to find the equalizer. And we have a penalty shootout for the semi-final. Meanwhile, Srinivas has gone out for Edwin. You will need an experienced head now for the final few minutes. Now what we may see is attack versus defense. Now can Gaurav get another corner or will he try to score? He has gone shot on target. But well defended by Srikanth. Srikanth will now try to play the last man defending. Once again, now it will be defense versus attack. Gaurav not able to get it under control. Ball at Manchester United. They tried to use up the minutes. Aditya to move forward. No. Now the ball is to Aniket. Final few minutes. Can he do something? No, but Sean could not capitalize. Now again we have 3-on-1. Trying to get it on target, but no, that is just a goal kick to Manchester United. Srikanth with the ball, he tried to go long. Well done by Shisha. Rudra can get it under control, but he's asking for the foul against Sean. Now Aniket, can he do something? Can the captain? He's trying to play first time, cannot find Aniket. Srikanth launching it forward now. That was really a hopeful ball. Play for the whistle guys. And unexpected really now. For the final 2 minutes, we have an absolutely fighting finish. 3-2 Manchester United. Can Barcelona find the equalizer? Chip to find Rudra. No, once again, ball with Manchester United. We can't try to use all his experience and the limited time available. Now Dheeraj return interception. Now Rudra could not find Dheeraj properly now. There is hardly anyone at the back for United yet. Can Gaurav find the player? No, but he only finds Srikanth. Good interception. They're trying to change the formation now. Rudra is the only man at the back. That's a good ball by Rudra. Can he finish the game, Srikanth? Can Manish finds the goal? It's 4-2 now. Hardly any time left. Barcelona pushed all their players forward looking for a goal, but he conceded one in return. United one step closer to the goal. Rudra will try to get it on. It's a good shot, but good block there by Srikanth. Maybe if they can find a goal now, they can do something. It was a good attempt by Rudra, but at the corner. The missed penalty by Aniket now seems to hurt a lot now. They try to launch everything forward, looking for the third goal. United happy to utilize the minutes. And Dheeraj finds Rudra now. Good ball to Aniket. Can Aniket do something? Dheeraj cannot hit it on target. United will be extremely happy with this, utilizing the minutes in the clock down. That's a good ball to Srinivas, but he cannot get it under control. Srikanth needs to hurry up. Well done by Sean. He cannot let Rudra get the ball easily. Gaurav will try to turn, but Srikanth will not let him do that. Srikanth has now launched himself at the back to clear all attacking threats by Barcelona. Aniket get one on target and a good attempt to find Dheeraj. It's a good through ball. Srikanth will try to run the clock down now. Gaurav needs to be a little more mobile to get things in the match. Ball with Manchester United. They try to run the clock down. Sean, can he find a player? Cannot left-handed win. The ball is even now. So close on his heel. Going the other way actually. Slightly hopeful ball for Aniket. Very difficult to get it under control. Will try to find Gaurav, but well defended again by Shrikant. Aniket, can he get us? But Edwin tracking back well. He needs to get a shot on target at least. Aniket, can he keep his magic? No, Rudra had much more time there. Shrikant running the clock down. If he is subbing himself out for the final few minutes, I don't think he'll do that. It's too difficult for Srinivas to bring it in control. Rudra, can he find Gaurav? It's a good movement. Sean has done very well there to intercept that ball from reaching Gaurav. Dheeraj finds himself and good attempt at the far post. Far post was defended by Aditya. Aniket trying his all now for the final 2 minutes. That's the complete reason by Gaurav. Now Edwin will try to find Srinivas. Can he do that? No. He track back now. Gaurav could not get it under control. That could have been a chance. He was thrown goal. Shrikant can get it forward. Shrikant needs to clear it. Goal takes to Barcelona. Sean has been a rock acrobat. He's been playing very well. Definitely Barcelona do not have much time left. Can Rudra find Gaurav at the left flank? Again, Sean coming in close. Now Srinivas versus Rudra, 1-on-1. What's happening? Can Srinivas get it? That's well defended by Rudra. Very well done. Srinivas will be happy to run the clock down. No play to the whistle, yeah. The whistle is now gone. Barcelona needs to keep their momentum up. Not on target. I don't think Barcelona has too many minutes left. Final attempt maybe, but Barcelona is leading by 2 goals. And that's the final whistle. A very good game comes to an end. United come out as the winners, winning the game by 4 goals to 2. And they face Real Madrid in the final. Well done Barcelona, well done Manchester United. Urging on the crowd to please come back for the final at 8 p.m.